Hello everyone, this is Louis Betancourt at Miracle Valley, and I'm back in the tabernacle today, continuing the cleaning that we have to do here. You notice we've done a lot. I think this is the second time I've cleaned this out this year. Due to the roofing material that falls, of course you got the little rocks all over the place. And if you can see, there's the SABC logo. It stands for Southern Arizona Bible College when they were here. As I walk back through the foyer over here, see all the dirt and the gravel that comes off the roof because it's been blowing off. Quite a mess. Well, all things are possible. Started cleaning out the restrooms on either end of the foyer here. It's quite a mess, but I'm having fun. Faith without works is dead, so we keep on working, knowing that God's going to provide. And walking out through here, of course over the years we've had vandals, so I had to board everything up so they don't come back at night. There's the trash can fulls of garbage. And we keep on cleaning here at Miracle Valley. That, what you're looking at there, is the cafeteria. Have a good day, you guys, and also check us out on Miracle Valley Today YouTube channel. We just started it today in our first videos today. God bless you guys. We appreciate your support and your prayers. Love ya.